Well, guys, everywhere I went so far, it's iced over. It's bad. But this spot right here, we might have a chance. It's an opening. Yeah, right there. So we're gonna try it for a little bit. Hopefully we get into something. We're going for trout right now. Trying to. Anyways, we're trying to go for trout. So I hope we can make it happen. You guys stay tuned. Let's get it. Well, I'm out here on Valentine's Day with my beautiful wife. She almost caught one. She just missed one. She didn't set the hook hard enough, but it's all right. It's a learning curve. And hopefully we get another one. We got one in the bucket already. The camera died. Yeah. I'll see y'all in a minute. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Got him. Got him. Got him. Yes. Yeah. Got him, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. A little guy, but it's a guy. Here we go. We got a bite. He's gonna start taking line here in a minute. Yep. He's taking the line. We're gonna let him take it. I think you're on one too. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. Here we go. See, watch me, baby. See, he's taking line. Got him. Got him. Got him, yeah. Yes, this feels like a better one. He's running towards me. Oh, he's a little guy. He's a little guy. Nonetheless, there's a rainbow. Look at that. Yeah. All right, you guys, we are at Cherokee Park now. Switched over, came here, had to get some snacks and stuff, you know, use the restroom. We're all good now, so we're gonna see what this lake has to produce. Hopefully some bigger ones, hopefully. But we'll see. I'll see you guys in a minute. It feels good. Don't go under the ice. Please don't go under the ice. Yeah. It's a bigger one. Hell yeah. Boom shakalaka laka. Okay. Well, me and my wife went out today, caught 3 trout. She almost had 2 of them. I would have did this catch and cook out there, but there was too many people coming in and out. First thing first, when you do this, I like to go through the vent, try not to bust anything. Cut all the way up. You can do it however you want to do it, but this is how I do it. We went to 2 places today. Went to Cherokee and Fisherman's Park. Then cut right behind the head. Separate the spinal. Same thing on the other side. And then put one finger in here, one finger in the other. Pull the head out, and you get the guts and everything out. Easy peasy. Don't make it harder than what it is. And that, my friends, is how I clean the trout. Bam, get all that out. Get all the blood out. With your thumb, with a spoon, with a knife, however you want to do it. We caught 3, so I'm gonna do the other ones the same way. No need for you guys to watch this again. Now, I got this idea from A Fisherman's Life. Another one of my favorite YouTubers. He does a lot of these catch and cooks too. I think that's all he does is catch and cooks. To be exact. Really. I think it's too high. And yes, I'm doing this catch and cook at the house. If I didn't already say that. It still might be a little high. It's alright. It's alright. Anywho, I'm about to put these guys in there. I know they probably won't all fit. And if I didn't mention, these are rainbow trouts. Now it's a little too low. It's cold out here, slippery. Flip them over. This is gonna be great. I haven't ate anything all morning. That's not good. That's not how you should do your body, guys. You should always have breakfast. Because the knob to adjust the temperature, it has like a spring action. Every time I turn it down, it'll move back up a little bit. I like to keep the skin on most of the time. I do not ever fillet these guys. They're too small, plus they taste great. So I love the skin. Let's flip these guys over. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Oh yeah. This is the thicker one, so I want it in the butter a little bit more. Smells great. Great. See, every time I turn it down, it won't bump itself back up. We'll be ready here in a minute, guys. All right, guys. We're gonna take the bones out, do all that. Hold on, 1 second. Midwest scarfish, baby. You better know it. Hopefully you guys can see this, but yeah. Pull the meat off. Pull the bone out. That right there for a second. Now, I don't know about you guys. I love the fins, the crispiness of it, the tail. You don't have to eat it if you don't want to. Give it to me. Now we're gonna break these guys apart. Take all the bones out. Give it to the cats if they want it. Pretty sure they want it. Cats are arguing over there, back there. About what? I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna put my avocado in there. Now, like I said, I learned this from Fisherman's Life. Looks delicious to me. I love avocado. I didn't before. I forced myself to like it. Now, I can't live without it. I hope you guys can see this. If not, I'll go fishing again and do it again. Now, basically, put everything together. Got us a good meal. Well, put it to the test. Fisherman's Life. I hope you're right about this. Not bad. Not bad. Oh man, not bad at all. Another good thing about doing this at home, what my boy Rudy used to say, or he always say, Rudy, Modelo time, fool. It's Valentine's Day. Took my wife out with me. We had a wonderful time spending time with each other. Unfortunately, she's allergic to fish, so she can't eat fish. So I'll enjoy it for the both of us. But if you guys really like these catch and cook videos, put a like, you know what I mean? Give me a like, man. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. It will help the channel out a lot. I really need a lot of help. Just started off middle of last year. So far it's picking up pretty good. Not as fast as I thought it was going to, but nonetheless, it's doing pretty good. Well, I'm not gonna keep eating in front of you guys. Until next time, tight lines, y'all. Peace, I'm out. Subscribe, like, and share. All right. Oh, before I forget, put down in the comment below what kind of fish you want to see me catch and cook next. You know what I mean? So that way, it'll give me some kind of idea of what you guys want to see. Until then, tight lines, and I'm out. Scarfish, baby.